What's up, guys? It's your boy David again. We got another one in the shop. Let's do it. And happy Halloween. Hey, Mike. I pretty much got the wheels, fender off, all the panels here, getting the door panels off, and thanks to my neighbor that only comes out in October is helping me out. I don't know, he's not here right now, so he just randomly pops out. As always, I gotta cut these panels off. I'll make sure I secure them before that, and then I'm gonna just smooth them down as well. That's so the kit can sit flush on the car. Alright, I got the kits going on passenger side. I'm about to install the driver's side. So let's do it. Hey Mike, pass me the kit. Appreciate it. Already, I'm about to cut the second one. Oh shoot, never mind. I guess Mike cuts it. is done. Had a great time doing this with Mike. And I do appreciate the help, Mike. Happy Halloween.